The Crucial CT2000T705SSD3 2TB SSD offers extreme Gen 5 speeds, with sequential reads and writes up to 14,500 megabytes per second and 12,700 megabytes per second respectively, making it perfect for high-performance tasks. This solid-state drive is great for gaming and creativity, loading AAA game titles up to 15% faster than Gen 4 SSDs, and offering faster texture renders and reduced load times. Installation is a breeze with the T705, as it is ready for performance with your motherboard heatsink and installs easily in your M.2 slot. The Crucial CT2000T705SSD3 2TB SSD is compatible with Intel Core 13th to 14th generation and AMD Ryzen 7000 CPUs, thanks to its cutting-edge Micron 232-layer TLC NAND. Purchasing and registering the Crucial T705 gives you a complimentary 1 month of Adobe Creative Cloud All-Apps plan, a great bonus for creative professionals. With a high review score of 4.5 out of 5 and a reasonable price of $279.99, this SSD offers great value for the performance it delivers.